Well, it seems you can learn something every day. The noise on the Shure KSM8 is not exclusive to the KSM8, I've discovered. It's just a little bit more. You'll need your headphones. I've got the bass on all three mics. I'm going to compare some dynamic mics for this noise that I held when I was holding it. So the bass is boosted slightly, so you'll need your headphones, but be aware that the bass is boosted. I'm just going to go straight to the KSM8. Can you hear it? So you can hear the bass is boosted there a bit. Holding it still. If I hold it just by the capsule, which you wouldn't do of course, you can hear it's reduced, but it's still there. If I hold it by the cable, it's still there, but reduced. If I use one of my favourite sheepskin winter gloves to give me a little bit of just in case, I don't know, in case it's just being, well, I don't know. Makes no difference whatsoever. For comparison, set up rather similarly with the bass boosted, the Sennheiser Dynamic coming up. This is the Sennheiser Dynamic, and it's there with that. What is it? Again, reduced but not gone. And holding it by the cable, reduced but not gone. Next one is the Dynamic M88, which has got a lot of low end, or can respond to lows. So let's see what happens there. Same thing. Don't know if it's any less than the Sennheiser. Holding it there, it's gone. But I can hear some very, very low. Oh, I don't know now. Just to be complete, I've tried these on different mixing desks, by the way, in case you're thinking there's something inherent in in the mixing desk. Yeah, different mixing desk and different cables. Only the Shure, but I'm sure the others would do it as well, because the Shure did it on the other mixing desk with different cables. So still there. What is it? I'll finish. Yeah. Back with the KSM8, which seems to have a little bit more of it. Just one final thing, then I thought, seeing as I've got it here, I may as well try the Shure SM58 to see if there's any of that noise with this. The gains are up quite high, so there's buzzing and stuff. And the lights and the computer. But it's there. Quite subdued. Can't really hear anything when I hold it by the cable. You're not going to do that, are you?